How to use Google Voice with Google Workspace. First of all, log into your Google admin console at admin.google.com using your Workspace account with a US billing address. Then go to voice.google.com and choose a plan. The starter plan costs $10 per user per month, and you will pay based on the number of users in your Workspace. After completing the purchase, go back to the admin console and assign licenses to your users. Then set up your business location so you can pick phone numbers from that area. Once the location is saved, you can assign numbers to each licensed user. Your users will get a confirmation email and can access Google Voice on the web or through the mobile app. You can make calls, send messages, and even forward calls to supported mobile numbers. Now you know how to use Google Voice with Google Workspace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.